Record your Zoom meeting with audio on computer. First of all, go to your browser and you have to download the OBS Studio. So open the official OBS Studio website and just click on download. And all you have to need, go ahead and download the OBS installer on your computer. So this is a very popular and free software to record our screen. Once you successfully installed the OBS Studio on your computer, after launching the OBS Studio, you directly jump into this kind of interface. Here under sources, click on this plus icon and here select window capture and click on OK. Click on this window drop down and here select Zoom meeting, and to record your cursor, make sure to check this option, click on OK, and here your Zoom meeting will be added. Now to record your Zoom audio, again click on this plus icon to add another source, and here select audio output capture, click on OK, and again click on this plus icon, this time select audio input capture, OK, and select here your microphone and click on OK. Once you successfully added all of your Zoom audio and video sources, now just click on start recording, and now this OBS is recording your Zoom meeting. Now you can easily go ahead and finish your Zoom meeting, and then to stop your Zoom meeting recording, come to this OBS Studio again and just click on stop recording. Now go to your file explorer. In file explorer, you have to open this videos folder, and in here you will find your Zoom meeting video with audio.